Chapter 3 Classification of Elements and Periodicity in Properties. 11th Science. Part 3 Nomenclature of Elements with Atomic Number greater than 100.
Hello students, I am Madhusina, your chemistry teacher. Do watch my YouTube videos, like and subscribe it for further notification. In this video, we will be discussing about the IUPAC nomenclature of the elements with atomic number greater than 100. For this purpose, we need to remember certain notations. You have to keep this table in your mind. Digits, name and the abbreviations. When the digit is 0, the name used is nil. Abbreviation is N. For 1, un. Abbreviation is U. For digit 2, pi. Abbreviation is B. 3 is tri. T is the abbreviation. 4 is named as quad. Q is the abbreviation. Digit 5 is pent. P is the abbreviation. Digit 6 is named as hex. H is the abbreviation. Digit 7 is named as sept. S is the abbreviation. Digit 8 is named as oct. O is the abbreviation. And digit 9 is named as N. E is the abbreviation. Keeping this table in mind, let us see how to name the elements with atomic number greater than 100. For example, element with atomic number 108 is named as per this nomenclature in the following way. First digit is 1. So, 0 is named as nil. 8 is named as oct. This name is followed by adding em at the end. Hence, the IUPAC name of this element with atomic number 108 is nil octium. Now, let us work out the symbol for this. Means the symbol is U. For nil, the symbol is N. And for oct, the symbol is O. So, for this element with atomic number 108, the symbol given is UNO. Let us take another example. Element with atomic number 114. The name and symbol of this is as follows. First digit is 1. So, then again 1. So, 4 is named as quad, followed by em. So, the official name of this, as per the IUPAC nomenclature, is unquadium. Now, the symbol is U, Q. The reason for this nomenclature given by IUPAC was to avoid confusion among the scientists till an element is approved by IUPAC and its proper name is announced. This temporary IUPAC nomenclature was to be followed by the scientists for avoiding the confusion among them and exchange of proper data. Note down these assignment questions which you are going to work out on your own. write the name and symbol of following elements with the given atomic number 109, 116, 103, 102 and 112.